Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cabbage headdress. First, select a large, fresh cabbage head with vibrant leaves. You'll also need floral wire, green floral tape, and a hot glue gun for secure attachments. Don't forget a sturdy headband or a small hat as your base. Having all your materials ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this unique and fun project. Next, gently peel off the outer leaves from your cabbage, selecting the most appealing ones. Trim any excessively thick parts of the leaf stems to make them more pliable and easier to attach. For added flexibility and to prevent cracking, quickly blanch the leaves in hot water for about 30 seconds, then immediately cool them in ice water. This step helps the leaves maintain their shape and vibrant color. Now, let's begin assembling your headdress. Start by attaching the prepared cabbage leaves to your headband or hat base using floral wire. Overlap the leaves, working from the bottom up, to create a lush, full, and natural appearance. Ensure each leaf is securely fastened. Once positioned, reinforce all connections with green floral tape, blending it seamlessly with the leaves for a polished finish. For the final touches, use a small amount of hot glue to secure any smaller leaves or decorative elements, filling in gaps for a truly complete look. To keep your cabbage headdress looking fresh and vibrant, mist it lightly with water periodically. This helps maintain its natural beauty throughout your event. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can change how you think about money, plus other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.